Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Honda Accord front bumper. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked with the engine off. Begin by opening the hood to gain access to the top section of the bumper. You will find about 8 to 10 plastic push clips securing the radiator cover. Carefully remove these clips using a flathead screwdriver or a specialized trim removal tool. This initial step is crucial for accessing further fasteners. Next, turn your front wheels to one side to better access the fender liner. You will find 2 to 3 Phillips head screws and one plastic clip on each side within the wheel well that need to be removed. After that, carefully get underneath the vehicle. There are about 10 to 18 additional plastic clips securing the bumper to the undercarriage. Remove all of these clips to fully detach the bottom section. Now focus on the sides of the bumper. There is typically one Phillips head screw located in a recessed opening at each end of the bumper, connecting it to the fender. Remove these screws. Once the screws are out, gently pull the bumper outwards from the sides, disengaging it from the fender retainers. If your vehicle has fog lights, carefully disconnect their electrical connectors before proceeding further. With all fasteners and connectors removed, the bumper is now ready for full detachment. The bumper rests on 2 pins near the top of each headlight assembly. Gently lift it up and off these pins. Then, carefully pull the entire bumper cover straight forward and away from the vehicle. To reinstall, simply reverse these steps, ensuring all clips and screws are properly aligned and secured for a snug fit.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.